Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, there is fresh concern among some stakeholders about the reliability of the buses serving students under the rural school bus program.
One of the buses was destroyed in a massive blaze in southern Manchester this afternoon. No one was injured in the fire.
An investigation has begun to determine what caused the fire just minutes after students were dropped off by the bus.
We have the details in this report.
Smoke billowing and flames cartwheeling near Plowden district in deep rural Manchester early Wednesday afternoon.
Fire up our west door, brother. Plowden, South Manchester, guys. Bus catch a fire. That. One of the biggest school bus there.
The bus is one of the vehicles recently bought by the government to serve under the state's rural school bus program. A handful of residents watched helplessly as the unit went up in flames. Later, firefighters responded and fought the blaze, eventually bringing the situation under control, but the damage had been done.
I sit right at the window there and so when the bus come up and park, and when we look, we see smoke. And probably 5 or 10 minutes after, it just blew up in a flame.
It was a big blow up in school up in the back right here now and everything, but these things do happen because we all see it in the Kingston all the while, but first in the country. So, but me glad about. No people need that and get hurt and nobody and not get more hurt. The bus burn out, so they can rebuild again and come again.
The authorities say at approximately 1:20 p.m. the bus, which had completed its scheduled summer school transportation route in Cross Keys, Manchester, was returning to its base in Plowden when the driver observed the engine was on fire. The operator immediately stopped the vehicle and attempted to put out the fire using the onboard fire extinguisher. When those efforts proved unsuccessful, the Jamaica Fire Brigade was contacted for assistance. The cause of the blaze is currently unknown and will be the subject of a full investigation by the authorities, including the JUTC's technical team.
I'm happy to report that there were no students on board at the time and that no injuries. The matter is being investigated, and of course we will keep the public advised. This is not the first incident of a fire. We've had it on even some of the new buses, so we'll allow for the investigation to take place before we make any judgment.
Just 2 weeks ago, the government said a survey among students and parents about their satisfaction with the program stood at 100%, significantly surpassing the original performance target of 85%. The rural school bus program, which started in 2025, benefited close to 350 schools along 86 bus routes and transported close to 8,000 students every day. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz at the time also pointed out that since the program's launch, there has been no incident involving serious injury or loss of life to students using the service. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.